Hey, what's up guys? Matt here. Another Friday, another piano tutorial for you guys. So today we are going to be looking at a well-known Queen song called You're My Best Friend. Oh, you're my best friend. That one? Well, without any further ado, let's jump right into the piano tutorial. Okay, so looking at You're My Best Friend by Queen. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out rocking an octave in our left hand. Now this octave is going to be a C octave, one octave below middle C. And so when we rock this octave, we're starting out with our thumb one octave below middle C. So here's middle C, one octave below. So here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see how it's a little bit syncopated, especially when we add in the right hand. But what I would practice in the beginning is getting this octave down in the left hand. So this is how the song starts out. One more time. Okay, then we add in our right hand. So looking at the right hand, so once we have our octave down in the left hand, and again this will take some practice, especially with syncopation. So we have a F chord and a C chord. So we play F chord first, start on middle C, thumb on middle C, third finger on F, and then pinky finger on A. And then go down to a straight C chord. You almost rock that, so. Meanwhile, the left hand is still rocking this octave. So we have. So it's very syncopated. I would suggest taking both hands apart, especially for this. You're making me live whatever this world is in tonight. Ooh, you're making me live. And we're gonna move down, so we go C, C. Then we move down to a B in our left hand and G in our right hand. Have G chord, E minor, G. So we go from the C chord. And then down to an A minor. So left hand moves down to A, right hand plays an A minor. This would be second inversion. So E with your thumb, third finger on A, and pinky finger on middle C. So we have. One more time. Then we move up to a D chord. So left hand plays D, right hand, F sharp, it's your second finger, A with your third finger, and pinky finger on D. Then moving down to an F chord, so F in your left hand, then up to a G chord. So let's review all that so far. you're making me live, yeah, honey. Ooh, you're my best friend. Oh, you're the best one that I ever had. I've been with you such a long time. You're my sunshine, and I want you to know my feelings are true. So now we go up to an A flat in the left hand and an E chord in the right hand. Second finger on A flat, third finger on B, third finger on, or excuse me, pinky finger on E. So, I want you to know my feelings are true. And back to this A minor. I really love you. So from A minor, I really love you. So you go from A minor down to G. I really love you. Down to F. Ooh, oh, you're my best friend. And back up. So go from F to F minor. Oh, you're my best friend. Okay? And again, the syncopation is tricky, so you really need to take this slow. Feel free to rewind, pause this video, take both hands apart. Please, this is not something you're going to get overnight. You're going to need to practice this. So looking at what we have so far, from the intro. Very slow now. Ooh, you're making me live. Whatever this world is in tonight. Ooh, you're making me live. And we move down to this G. So we go from, oh, you're my best friend I ever had. I've been with you such a long time. You're my sunshine, and I want you to know my feelings are true. I really love you. Oh, you're my best friend. Then back. Okay, then we go into the other part. Then we go C, G, with the B and the bass again, A minor, I've been and he hits the high note, and then we're going to play G in the left hand, and in the right hand you have this C7, okay? So G with your thumb, second finger on B flat, middle finger on middle C, and pinky finger on E. So we go from, and we go down to F, F minor. Okay, then we go up to G. So let's take this very slow once more. So we go from the C, time after time. So we go from F, F minor, G, time after time, then down to an E, new chord here, back up to the top. So, again, please take this very slowly. This is a shorter version of how to play You're My Best Friend by Queen, but I would definitely suggest taking both hands apart. We have gone over some parts slowly. So be sure to do that and enjoy playing this song. If you guys got anything out of that video, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button. It means so much to me, guys. Thank you for all of your support. Also, comment down below. I'm always looking for new ideas, new song suggestions. I can teach them to you. Well, that's it for me. I will see you guys next Friday. Peace out, y'all.